There are two different types of unit of measure throughout the globe that are used. We have standard imperial that we use here in the United States, barring a few extra exceptions, and we have the metric system that's used everywhere else in the world. Maybe one day we can join that club. Until this time, we use something called dimensional analysis that connects metric to standard or standard to metric. Okay, we're going to use that in this class, okay, to continue the lecture content, as well as to start our engineering method that we're going to use, and finally to get some numerical calculations and see how these are submitted for the course. I would like for you to reference the equation sheet that's posted under course info right now. This is the same sheet you'll get for the exam, the same sheet we'll use the whole class. Now you have it. Okay, you'll notice at the bottom that the only way for you to convert in terms of linear distance is from 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. We'll get to that, but I have to stipulate that. Okay, the last thing I want to do is I want to show you the steps that we're going to use it. Okay, I'll give you an example of these, but I just want to plant the seed. So, draw the railroad tracks. I haven't come up with a better name yet, but we're going to essentially put the framework down. 2, we're going to create the road map. We're going to connect our initial units to where they need to be at the end. 3, we're going to take just those units that we've created and then put them into that railroad track to that construct. Okay. 4, we're then going to enter the numbers in, and we're going to check, make sure our units class up, and finally, we're going to calculate and move from there. If not at the end, you have to box your answer, you have to put the number, and most importantly, you must put units. Without the units, you will receive a 0 because 4 apples is not 4 bananas, which is not 4 oranges.